What's going on, everybody? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And in today's video, I'm going to be giving an explanation on why I teach people how to make money. Specifically you. Why do I put out content every single day for you to learn and figure out how to make money online? So when I first started dropshipping about 2 years ago now, there wasn't really any YouTubers out there that were putting out content every day for me to learn from and figure out how do I start dropshipping, how do I start making money online. There was nobody really out there. I didn't know how to research that. I was just sort of on my own figuring out through trial and error. And for me, I've learned over time that in order to succeed in any business or online business, whatever you want to call it, is by learning from your own failures as well as from others' failures. So by doing this and me putting out these videos every single day, you're able to learn from my failures, learn from my mistakes, learn from others' mistakes that I provide on this channel, and learn what to do and what not to do. Of course, everything I say isn't going to be applicable to what you do and help you make money in the long run. You know, some people, my advice doesn't work for them. Some people it does. It's really just about how you apply the information. You know, if you apply some things I tell you exactly step by step, most of the time it's not going to work exactly how you expect it. If you take something that I tell you and show you guys how to product test or scale, whatever it is, it's really about how you get that information and take it and then utilize it in your own simple way in order to make the money or whatever you're trying to do. So a lot of people, they try and copy something and replicate it exactly step by step, and then they end up not being where they want to be because they don't add their own twist. They don't try things on their own. You know, there's only so much information I can give out to you. I can't give an exact blueprint step by step that shows you how to make $1 million. I can show you guys things that have worked for me, but most of the time you're going to have to take that information and understand it and then apply it on your own and then test that, you know, by different strategies on how to exactly do this stuff. But I want to tell you guys right now, the main reason why I do this is just because I didn't have this when I first started dropshipping, and I wanted to provide this value for you guys. And of course, I know the comments are red. They're going to be like, you make money from this. Yes, I make money. I don't make a lot of money from YouTube. You know, it is what it is, but I enjoy helping other people. You know, seeing the comments every day on my YouTube videos like, thank you so much for this video, this helped me a ton with this specific, you know, whatever the video was about, you know, that means a lot to me more than getting paid from YouTube. YouTube doesn't pay me a lot of money. I only have like 75,000 subscribers. You know, it's not a ton, but I enjoy all of you. I appreciate all of you for supporting me, because this audience right here is better than me having 1 million followers on an entertainment channel, because I know that my audience is actually qualified and is a lot smarter than a bunch of random kids following me to make them laugh or whatever. You know, I'm here to help you guys and educate you on how to make money online, and by doing this, you're able to utilize what I'm teaching you and apply it to make money online. When I have people screenshot their results and text it to me, DM me, whatever, and they're like, thanks Tanner, I just made $1,000 today, or I just made $1,000 this month. You know, any progress is good progress if it's profitable. And just seeing people go out there and try businesses. You know, I've had kids that are like 10 years old, I've had people that are 40 years old go out there and utilize my information and make money online. And just seeing that overall helps me really, you know, it keeps me going in a way. You know, seeing that I can help other people make money pushes me to make more money and build new businesses to help you guys in the future. So if I didn't have this YouTube channel and wasn't, you know, out here, you know, helping you guys, and I have no idea what I'll be doing aside from my other businesses, I'll definitely lose a lot of responsibility. You know, I have responsibility. I need to keep up with you guys. I need to respond to your comments. I need to make sure you guys enjoy the content. I'm posting content that you actually need and is valuable to you. So one thing I've gotten out of this YouTube channel, aside from helping others, is just meeting so many crazy people. Not like actual crazy people, but people that are successful, people that have made a lot of money, you know, way more money than me, and have been in different areas of business than me, and I've been able to network with them, meet them in person, connect, and learn a lot from them. And without my personal brand, without my YouTube channel, that I wouldn't be able to network as well as I do now, because I didn't have the experience of networking. People didn't know who I was. You know, me having my name out there and putting out content creates a lot of credibility. It adds a lot of trust to my name, a lot of credibility, because I'm not out here posting, you know, stupid videos trying to make people laugh. You know, nothing against people that have entertainment channels that make a lot of money. I watch entertainment channels myself. You know, there's a specific field of people for that, you know, entertainment. For me, I enjoy helping people more than I do entertaining people. You know, not everybody's going to like my videos because I'm just sitting here talking or showing my computer or whatever. You know, only a specific amount of people like my videos. That's why I have 75,000 subscribers and not millions. You know, it takes time to grow in this kind of channel. And, you know, throughout this journey, I've really been able to do a lot of cool stuff through you guys and through people acknowledging my brand and who I am and what I do. And one of the other things that has really helped me a lot with this YouTube channel is that I've been able to talk a lot more. I'm very introverted. It may not seem like it on videos because I talk a lot on the videos because it's a video, whatever. I have to talk. I can't just sit here and, you know, stare at the ceiling, whatever. But you know, if you go to my very first early YouTube videos, they're very awkward, very weird, just because I didn't have that charisma. I didn't know how to talk to the camera. Sitting here, I'm literally in my room right now. It's like 1 in the morning. I'm staring at a camera right in the lens. That's very weird to a lot of people. It was weird to me when I first started, but now when I'm here sitting at the camera, I see like an audience of like, you know, 75,000 people sitting there in an audience, and I'm telling them sort of my stories, how I make money online, how to teach them, you know, all this different stuff. So it's taken me a while to get used to talking to the camera, but it's not only being used to talking to the camera, I'm now a lot better talking to people in person. You know, I see someone in person, it's a lot easier for me to go up to them, hey, I'm Tanner, shake their hand, whatever, talk to them, build that relationship, and then lead on to business later on, or just friendship, whatever it is. So being able to utilize this platform a lot has helped me in ways I never thought I would be able to do. You know, be able to travel, meet all these cool people. You know, I did my first speaking event a week ago, 2 weeks ago, whenever it was. It was very surreal to see you guys there, like subscribers. There was only like 200 people there. You know, that's a large amount of people for the event because it was at a house. But I got to network with a lot of you guys and meet you guys that support me. And, you know, honestly, it was a weird moment, you know, going up, walking up there, and then people were like, oh my gosh, it's Tanner, hey Tanner, whatever, can I take a picture, like things like that. And then being able to just stand there at the event and have you, subscribers, standing there asking me questions, you know, asking valuable things that they want to know about me or about business, and me being able to provide that value and content in real life. So that is overall some reasons why I have this YouTube channel, why I do what I do here. You know, this isn't everything I do. I do a lot of other stuff behind the scenes that you guys don't see. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and got a little basic insight. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.